First of all, let me congratulate all the graduates and the parents. May I kindly request all the graduates to stand up now for once. Just please stand up. Let's give a big round of applause to all our parents here. Parents, main congratulations to you. Kindly be seated. Kindly be seated. It's a wonderful day in your life which you'll never forget. I never forget my graduation day. So it's a wonderful day in your life. We are very happy to see all the graduates and the parents assembled here. My special welcome to our Honorable Minister of Tamil Nadu, Madam. Thank you for being here. Hearty welcome to Madam and all the dignitaries. There are many dignitaries who are assembled here. So our hearty welcome to all the other dignitaries who have come to attend this event. I wanted to be brief and mention a couple of points before I administer the pledge to you. One thing which is missing these days is ethics and honesty. You see that in any profession that has become a rare commodity these days. I always feel that a VITN should never cut corners in ethics, should always be straightforward and have full integrity in their life. As you enter the real life today from the college life, you will see a lot of changes which you will notice, and you should be prepared for your real life here. The main thing you will see is, as lawyers, you will face a lot of ethical dilemmas every day. You even see some of the lawyers getting purchased by the opposite side also. I cannot hear such. There are such unethical people. So you got to be like a fire. Nobody should be able to touch you. Nobody should be able to come near you. That is a very strong message which I wanted to pass today. We should remember our forefathers like Mahatma Gandhiji, great lawyer, who stood for certain principles. So, the principles become very important. If you don't stand for something, you will fall for everything. It's a great poem, the great proverb which you should all remember. The other point which I also wanted to mention is discipline in life. There are many good examples which we can see, role models where highly disciplined. I don't need to elaborate discipline, whether it's good habits, avoiding bad habits, etc. So I want you to stay disciplined in life, stay ethical, and more importantly, be a lifelong learner. As you know, the law profession, the legal profession is changing with the advent of technology, with the advent of artificial intelligence. Everything is going to change. Are you prepared? You need to be prepared, be a lifelong learner, learn every day, and I'm sure you will become great professionals in life. I wish you all the best in your life. Thank you. And now for the pledge, I kindly request all the graduates to kindly stand up and repeat after me.
Students, all of you kindly raise your right hand, stretch your right hand.
Yeah, stretch it in front like this. It's an oath. We shall, in thought, word and deed, ever endeavor to be scrupulously honest in the discharge of our duties in our profession, and shall uphold the dignity and integrity of our profession and the honor of our university. We shall uphold and advance social order and the well-being of our fellow members, and shall devote all our energy to promote unity, integrity, and the secular ideals of our country. Hearty congratulations to all of you.